Silent Majesty, the Amazon Symphony. The screen opens to the serene stretch of the Amazon canopy, endless and lush, bathed in the soft, golden hues of sunrise. A delicate melody begins to play, like the whisper of the awakening forest. The camera slowly descends, capturing rays of sunlight filtering through the leaves, creating a kaleidoscope of light and shadow that dances gently across the greenery. As the morning unfolds, the tranquility of the moment embraces the viewer. A subtle breeze sways the branches, and the forest seems to stretch and exhale. In this pristine silence, the Amazon breathes life into a new day. The camera ventures closer, capturing intimate details of the canopy. Leaves sparkle with dew from the previous night, shimmering softly in the morning light. A bird stirs in the branches above, spreading its wings to soak in the first rays of sunlight. The scene shifts to the treetops, where the emerald sea of leaves gently undulates with the wind. This elevated view immerses the audience in the rainforest's endless beauty, instilling a sense of wonder and calm. The camera pans over the mighty Amazon River, a silver serpent cutting through the dense jungle. Its currents carry the reflections of the morning sky, mirroring its vast expanse in crystal-clear detail. Small tributaries snake off into the forest, weaving through the landscape like veins of an unbroken, thriving body. The scene transitions to a more intimate view of the river. The rippling water glistens under the sunlight, its surface alive with movement, a quiet reminder that the river is the life source of this unparalleled ecosystem. A close-up shot highlights the intricate beauty of nature. Dewdrops cling to a delicate leaf, magnifying its veins like a silent map of life. Sunlight refracts through these droplets, scattering into tiny rainbows. The camera lingers on a flower, its vibrant petals unfolding gracefully as if reaching for the sun. Nearby, a butterfly flutters gently, its iridescent wings like shimmering jewels against the backdrop of lush green. As the sunlight intensifies, the rainforest's colors burst to life. Scarlet, yellow, and indigo flowers pepper the canopy and forest floor in dazzling contrasts. Bright green moss carpets the ground, winding its way up ancient trunks of towering trees. Slow aerial shots follow the river's journey, leading to cascading waterfalls hidden within the jungle's heart. Water crashes against rocks in powerful yet harmonious rhythms, contrasting with the serene stillness surrounding it. The audience is gently brought to eye level with a calm section of the river. Tiny ripples radiate outward as a leaf drops onto the water's surface, merging naturally into the Amazon's serene melody. The scene shifts upward, where vibrant scarlet macaws soar together across the open blue sky. Their wings slice gracefully through the air, a striking contrast against the vast green blanket below. Birds launch from treetops in perfect synchronization, their movements echoing the forest's natural harmony. The camera follows their flight, capturing their elegance and unity. The lens dips back into the dense forest, following capuchin monkeys as they swing from branch to branch. Their movements are agile yet playful, a testament to the ecosystem's rhythm. A slow, deliberate shot captures the languid motion of a sloth nestled in the treetops. Its unhurried life seems like a reflection of the forest itself, calm, grounding, unchanging. The scene transitions to the gentle play of river turtles, their small shells gliding in rhythmic harmony with the currents. This underwater world is a realm of peace and quiet beauty. The focus shifts to a troop of leafcutter ants, each carrying its precious cargo high above its head. Every movement, no matter how small, contributes to the forest's symphony. The camera ventures deeper into the shadows, searching for the Amazon's apex predator. A jaguar prowls silently, its sleek body moving through the underbrush like liquid gold. Its piercing gaze captures both strength and vulnerability, a stunning embodiment of the wild. By the riverbank, otters frolic in the shallows, flipping and tumbling with joyous abandon. The camera slows to capture their playful interactions, inviting the audience to share a moment of pure delight. Nearby, a young capybara nuzzles its mother amidst a small group. This tender scene reminds viewers of the interconnected bonds of life within the Amazon. A close-up reveals the intimate connections of the rainforest's microcosm. Tiny birds perch delicately on larger animals, feeding on parasites in a perfect display of coexistence. The camera shifts to a leaf blanketed by marching ants, their organized trail weaving through the forest's tapestry. Every creature, no matter its size, has a role in this thriving ecosystem. Light filters through layers of leaves, creating a serene yet awe-inspiring atmosphere. These trees, witnesses to countless seasons, serve as silent sentinels of the Amazon's enduring majesty. Rain clouds gather above, and the forest stills in anticipation. The first drops fall softly, landing on leaves with a gentle rhythm. This melody builds as the rain intensifies, a symphony composed solely by nature. The camera follows the rain's descent, capturing droplets cascading off leaves and pooling into small puddles. The forest appears rejuvenated as every plant and creature welcomes the nourishment. As the rain clears, the camera settles into the forest's midday stillness. The vibrant hues are now muted under the dappled light filtering through the canopy. The lens ventures into the Amazon's most secretive nooks. It uncovers hidden caves lined with glimmering crystals, illuminated by impossibly soft light. Rare creatures flit through the shadows, caught in fleeting glimpses. Delicate mushrooms grow in the dark, their luminous caps glowing faintly, a quiet display of nature's innovation. The camera soars high above the rainforest, revealing the Amazon's sheer vastness. The green canopy stretches to the horizon, seemingly infinite. Soft, warm light descends as the day leans toward dusk. Shadows deepen, and the forest takes on a golden glow. The camera pans across the canopy, capturing how the Amazon shifts into evening mode. As the sun dips lower, the jungle seems to hum with gentle anticipation. Nocturnal creatures venture out as the sky dimly glows in lavender and amber hues. The camera tracks bats emerging in unison, weaving complex patterns against the fading light. Their silent flight is both calming and mesmerizing, a perfect transition into the nighttime symphony. The silhouettes of tall trees contrast against the fading colors of twilight, a gentle farewell to the day. The rainforest rests under this cosmic blanket, a timeless moment preserved in quiet beauty. Night creatures roam freely, their movements soft yet deliberate in the cover of darkness. Bioluminescent fungi glow faintly, casting an otherworldly light in the shadows. The delicate interplay between shadow and glow feels almost magical, a hidden story within the Amazon's ecosystem. The camera lingers here, absorbing the humbling silence of this moment. The video fades as the melody softens, leaving only the faint rustle of leaves in the breeze. A final, still image of the radiant Amazon canopy under the moonlight fills the screen. The music fades entirely, leaving a brief yet poignant silence before text appears. The Amazon awaits, untouched, unspoken, and breathtaking.